Every time you plug in and charge to 100, you are not just filling the battery. You are burning your resale value, silently, automatically, every single night. And if you do this daily, you are committing financial sabotage on an asset worth tens of thousands of pounds. The worst part? Most EV owners have no idea this is happening. They think a full charge means a full win. It does not. And by the end of this video, you will never look at that 100% icon the same way again. Here is a number that should alarm every single EV owner. 68%. That is the share of EV drivers who do not actually know what type of battery is sitting inside their car. Not a rough idea, not a ballpark, zero knowledge. And this is not a trivial gap in knowledge. This is the gap between protecting your asset and destroying it. There are two dominant battery chemistries in EVs right now. LFP, lithium iron phosphate, NMC, nickel manganese cobalt. They are fundamentally different, they behave differently, they degrade differently, and they demand completely different charging habits. LFP batteries, they are tough. They are designed to sit at 100% state of charge. Manufacturers of LFP vehicles actually recommend charging to 100% regularly. The chemistry handles it. The cells are stable. For LFP owners, a full charge is a smart charge. NMC batteries are a completely different animal. These are the high-energy density packs inside your premium. Long-range vehicles. More range. More performance. But far more sensitive to voltage stress. When an NMC pack sits at 100% state of charge overnight, the voltage does not simply hold steady. The chemistry creates internal stress. Heat builds inside the pack at the cell level. Lithium ions are forced into positions they cannot sustain. This is not theoretical. This is electrochemistry. And over time, those cells do not bounce back. They degrade. Permanently. 20 to 30% faster degradation. That is not a small number. That is the difference between selling a healthy battery in 5 years and selling a compromised one. And every night you charge to 100%, that gap gets wider. Here is what the used car market looks like in 2026. Buyers are not checking the odometer first. Smart buyers. Informed buyers. Fleet buyers. They are pulling the historical charging data. The Geotab 2026 fleet study confirmed it. Average EV battery degradation has ticked back up. 2.3% per year across the fleet. Why? Bad charging habits, excessive heat, and drivers who never change their behavior despite the warnings. The data is not ambiguous. The curve does not lie. And now, independent valuation platforms know it too. Platforms like the Recharge Score now pull historical telemetry directly. They can see exactly how your car was charged, daily, week by week, year by year. If your vehicle habitually sat above 90% state of charge, that is flagged instantly, and the valuation drops accordingly. We are talking thousands off your trade-in. Not because the car looks bad, not because of accident history, but because of a charging habit. A habit you could fix tonight. For free. The market in 2026 does not just buy the car, it buys the history of how you treated the car. And if that history says you charge to 100 every night, you have already taken the hit, whether you know it or not. Here is exactly how you fight back. And it takes less than 2 minutes. Open any AI assistant. Claude works perfectly for this. What comes back is not a guess. It is a model-specific degradation calculation, built for your exact battery chemistry, your exact driving pattern, your exact charging behavior. AI is no longer just a novelty tool. In 2026, it is your financial defense system. Use it before your next charge cycle, not after. Right now, I need to know something. What do you charge to every night? Drop a comment below. Type 80 if you limit your charge to 80%. Type 100 if you charge to 100% every time, and include your car model. Because I want to see something very specific. I want to see exactly how many NMC owners are accidentally killing their batteries right now. This is not just a poll. This is a live diagnostic of how informed EV owners actually are in 2026. The results every single time this question gets asked are shocking. And the manufacturers know it. They just do not send you a warning. Here is the truth that the dealership will not tell you when you buy, and the truth that the used car market will not warn you about until it is already too late. In 2026, a car is not just metal and tires. It is a software-managed chemical asset. The battery is the core of its value, not the paint, not the trim level, not the alloys, the battery. And that battery has a memory. It remembers every charge cycle, every time you pushed it to 100 and left it there, every night of voltage stress, and when the time comes to sell, that memory becomes your invoice. The buyers of 2026 have the tools to read that invoice, every line of it. So here is what you do tonight. Go into your vehicle app. Right now, set your charge limit. If you drive an NMC vehicle, 80%. Not 85, not 90, 80. If you drive an LFP vehicle, 100% is fine. But know which one you drive. Because 68% of the people watching this did not know before today. One setting change. That is all that stands between you and thousands of pounds lost at trade-in. Make the change tonight. If this video just saved your battery, hit subscribe. Because next week, we are going inside the dealership, service department, and we are exposing exactly which services they upsell that your car does not need. Stay smart, stay informed, and stop letting ignorance cost you money.